In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Taggbox WordPress plugin. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins section. Then click Add New and search for the Taggbox plugin. Once you find it, click Get Started and then activate the plugin on your website. Next, log into your Taggbox account and create or open the widget you want to display on your WordPress site. Copy the widget embed code or widget ID provided by Taggbox. Now, return to WordPress and open the page or post where you want the feed to appear. Add the Taggbox block or paste the embed code into a custom HTML block. After that, save or publish the page and preview your site to make sure the social feed is displaying correctly. You can also customize the widget layout, themes, and moderation settings directly inside Taggbox to match your website design. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.